Hello, I'm Loredana Cârstea, a Sapiens Mapping Project volunteer, and today I will present you the Terminologia Anatomica app. I will be using a Mac, but the overall design and functionality is the same on the Windows and Linux versions. This is an app that offers easy access to Terminologia Anatomica's terms in all the provided languages. Right here you can change the language, but let's leave it on English. When you want to search a term, let's say cephalic vein, it begins searching from the first letter you type regardless of the position inside the term. Therefore, if you type CEPH, it gives you all the terms with that succession of letters anywhere inside the term. Another important advantage is searching in both the chosen language and in Latin. Now, if you want to search by the official Terminologia Anatomica ID, you can type it in the same place. Let's take the ID for cephalic vein and type A12.3.08.015. And as before, it searches as you type. Let's click the term. The new pop-up window shows the structural tree of the term. Again, the ID, the Latin term, and the chosen language translation. A short description of the term from Wikipedia, and the link, the Wikipedia page regarding the term. The interesting part here is the path menu with all the structural parents. Let's click on a parent. It opens the same kind of pop-up window, but we can see that this term has many children. I will select veins of upper limb, and here we have our cephalic vein. Now, by clicking on this document icon, I will show you another feature of the app which helps you write a text with anatomical terms in all the provided languages at the same time. Let us take something very simple, like patient X has a broken. Now, to insert a term, we start with brackets. Femur shaft. And the head trauma at the level of the parietal bone. So now we have the text. Below, there are icons for the languages we want the text translated in. Latin, English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Korean, Romanian. As you can see, for now we only translate the terms, but in the future we will upgrade the app so that we can have the whole text translated. This will depend on how many people will use the app and their appreciation for the product. If you click on the arrows here, you can have the ID instead of the term's name. Finally, if you click on Info, you will see the version of the app, how many distinct terms it has and in how many languages, a link to the Sapiens Mapping Project site, and our sources. You can find more information about the project on our site and in our Sapiens Mapping Project presentation video. I will now close the application from the top left icon. I hope you find it useful and feel free to give us feedback.